Today we are going to talk about leukotriene receptor antagonist. Leukotrienes antagonist or leukotrienes receptor antagonist. Because these drugs competitively block the effects of cysteine leukotrienes like LTC4, LTD4 and LTE4 on the bronchial smooth muscles. So we call them these cysteine leukotrienes as an agonist. Leukotrienes as an agonist, they competitively block the effects of these leukotrienes. They means zafirlukast and montelukast. These are the drugs which competitively block the effect of these leukotrienes on the bronchial smooth muscles. Right? So drugs in that category we have zafirlukast and montelukast. So this montelukast is the most commonly used drug in this category. Montelukast, why there is a name or why it is spelled like it has Montelukast. AST means it's an anti-asthmatic. Montelukast, AST. AST denotes for its anti-asthmatic action. LUK is the leukotrienes. It stands for leukotrienes, and TE means cysteine. So, cysteine leukotrienes anti-asthmatic drugs, montelukast, right? Cysteine leukotriene anti-asthmatic drug, that is the montelukast. That's how you can remember. Now, where we use, it is used along with the second generation antihistaminic drug, levocetirizine. You have heard about the Levocet M, right? So it is most commonly used in combination with the levocetirizine, which is a second generation antihistaminic drug. So where we use this? In the allergic rhinitis, in the bronchial asthma, which is allergic in origin, then exercise induced asthma. So in all these conditions, this montelukast is used as a prophylactic drug. It is used for the prophylactic purpose, not for the therapeutic purpose, right? It is used in the allergic rhinitis along with the levocetirizine. It is also useful in the bronchial asthma, which is allergic in origin, or exercise-induced asthma, exercise-induced bronchospasm or exercise-induced bronchial asthma. Now, what are the various actions? Actions of these drugs, they are anti-allergic in nature because they decrease the hyperreactivity of the bronchial tree. Anti-allergic in nature, that means they decrease the hyperreactivity of the bronchial tree. They suppress the bronchial inflammation. They suppress the bronchial inflammation, and they also cause bronchodilation, right? Now the mechanism of action, we can say. Mechanism of action, they competitively block the effects of cysteine leukotrienes by acting on the cysteine LT1 receptors. So these leukotrienes will going to act on this receptor, cysteine leukotriene receptors. LTC4, LTD4, LTE4, these are the leukotrienes. These are the different leukotrienes. They will going to bind with this receptors, cysteine leukotriene receptor. Zafirlukast, montelukast, these are the antagonists or these are the drugs. What they do? They competitively block. These are the agonists, these are the antagonists. So they competitively block the effects of these leukotrienes on the bronchial smooth muscle. If they block the effect of these leukotrienes on bronchial smooth muscles, so what are the various actions? They produce the anti-allergic action by decreasing hyperreactivity. They suppress the bronchial inflammation, and they also cause bronchodilation. Now the pharmacokinetic properties. Pharmacokinetic properties, it will get rapidly absorbed when it is given orally. Rapid oral absorption. Plasma protein binding is 99% or more than that. So it is extensively plasma protein bound drug. Metabolized extensively in the liver. Oral bioavailability of the zafirlukast is 90% and montelukast is 60%. Half-life of this zafirlukast is 10 hours and montelukast is 5 hours. Half-life is 10 hours and 5 hours respectively. Now, as I told you, it's a well-tolerated drug. Very few side effects like headache, skin rash, eosinophilia, which is very rare. Headache, skin rash, eosinophilia is very rare, right? Now, drug interaction, it is common with the zafirlukast only. It increases the concentration of warfarin. So, there is a chance of warfarin toxicity in the form of bleeding. Montelukast, no interactions, and it can be safely used along with the warfarin. Montelukast is very much safe along with the warfarin. No drug interaction is seen. Dose, Montelukast 10 mg available as a tablet, or it is also available. Montelukast is also available in the form of what we can say aerosols. So Montelukast 10 mg in the adults, 4 mg in the 2 to 5 year old children, and 5 mg in 6 to 14 years of age. So this is the dosage, and as I told you, it is always combined with the second generation levocetirizine, second generation antihistaminic levocetirizine. So brand names like Levocet M, Levozet M, and various other brand names are available. So this Montelukast is used alone, and it is also combined with the levocetirizine. So this is all about the leukotriene receptor antagonist.